Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Vivago AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Vivago.ai and we are logged in as indicated by the account icon up at the top right hand corner, and right next to that we have the subscribe option. We're going to go ahead and select the subscribe option. And now we are here on the subscription page where you can see the different tiers that are available. And you also have here the current plan showing for the free tier. And if you try to hover over that with your mouse, then you'll see that you cannot click that. So the way that this works is whichever one here you decide to subscribe to is going to be your current plan. So if you are subscribed to any of these other tiers and you want to go back to the free plan, then all you're going to have to do is just click this button, which should be lit up if you are on one of the other plans. And that's how you're going to cancel your subscription and go back to the free tier. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.